Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Afreen. I hope you're doing really well. So I received this cute little package from the brand called Pilgrim a few days ago, and I was completely blown away by just looking at the packaging itself. So Pilgrim has launched their new range, which is Secrets of Jeju Island, and this is how the actual the packaging looks like. So yeah, just look at the color, just look at the packaging. This is how the box opens, and you have got like all the details on the box itself. So yeah, I absolutely loved the packaging. The first thing that I loved was the packaging. I did try all of their products for a couple of times, twice, thrice, and I have something to share with you all. So what we'll do one by one is I'm gonna run you through all the products that I received and quickly show you how they look like. So yeah, let's get started. First, let us start with this Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island Vitamin C Night Serum. This is with hyaluronic acid and white lotus. So this is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is the actual serum bottle. Looks nice, very decent, sturdy and good packaging. So I love vitamin C serums with hyaluronic acid. That means great for your skin, right? So this is how the serum looks like. The texture is oily, so this is not like those serum which is like water, but this is kind of a little oily. So if you have extremely dry or dehydrated skin, this is gonna work wonders. It has this amazing, like, beautiful, very mild scent, which I absolutely love. And yeah, it takes a few seconds to get into your skin, but then it's beautiful. It gives that glow and hydration, and I absolutely love it. This is great for all skin type. Then next up is this face mist and toner. Now this can be used as a toner and face mist both. So I usually like to just take a cotton pad and spritz on it and use it with a cotton pad, but you can simply just use it like this as well. It's absolutely fine. So this one is again white lotus with camellia and witch hazel. Great for all skin types, and I absolutely love the packaging again. Then there are two more products. So let me start with this one. Now this is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is the exact tub. So this one is a volcanic lava ash body scrub. This product looks amazing. Like, just look at the way it looks like. This is great. So this one is a body scrub. So I'll quickly show you how the product literally looks like. So it is a thick scrub. So what you can do is you can either take some water, dilute it, and use those are my cats playing in the background, so yeah, please ignore. So yeah, this is how it is. It is quite thick and it feels great, like legit great feeling when you apply it. And this is great as an exfoliator for your body. Just look at it, and it smells amazing. It has got that rich aroma, which is not too bad, like not really strong, but quite bearable, and I absolutely love it. So this is more like Ayurvedic kind of a smell. So if you are into Korean products, you'll know what I'm trying to say. So yeah, this is how the scrub looks like. Now the last product I have in here is Secrets of Jeju Island Shea and Cocoa body butter with white lotus. So all of the ingredients, like all of the products, have white lotus as an ingredient. So this is how the packaging looks like. This is a thick shea butter, great for people with like extremely dry skin, or people who likes to have that extra moisturization. Then this is what they can use. I would probably be using it in winters because this is really nourishing and moisturizing. Although it is thick, but this is not that irritatingly sticky and weird, but this is nice. So it is not that it does not give that shine, but it's very moisturizing. That's what I love about this one. So yeah, I absolutely love the entire concept that Pilgrim have. This brand is cruelty free. They're 100% vegan, and I absolutely love their packaging. I know I've said this enough already. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys find this video meaningful and useful. If you want to try these products, you can definitely check them out. I'll put the link down below. You can get them. And if you ask me what are my favorite products, then it has to be these two, the volcanic body scrub and the vitamin C serum. So yeah, these are the two that I would definitely recommend. Like, it's a must try. So that's it. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, if you have any recommendation, any questions, you can comment down below, and yeah, I will see you guys super soon. Thank you so much for watching.